So chalo guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is day 6 of our ride from Bangalore to Western Ghats, and right now we're in Idukki. The time is 9:30 exactly. We are starting a bit early today. So right now we'll be going from Idukki to Athirapilly Waterfalls. It's around 140 kilometers I think from here, and it's showing 3 hours 40 minutes. So right now first let's have our breakfast and start to our destination Athirapilly quickly. So oh man, these Kerala bus drivers were different. Now we do have 26 kilometers of petrol left behind, which means 10 to 15 kilometers in original. People were saying there's a petrol pump 7 kilometers ahead, which means it's fine for us as of now. But if it's not there, then we may need a little, we may face a small issue. Finally, we found a petrol pump here. That's a HP, but it's fine. We'll get a full tank over here and let's go. So finally we got down the ghats. Right now we are on the road towards Ernakulam. I think somewhere near Angamalai. Before Ernakulam there would be a place called Angamalai. We got a movie as well, Angamalai Diaries, I think. There we need to take a right, I guess, for Athirapilly. Until then, which means we do have still 80 kilometers and 7 kilometers as of now. It's the same route. So we need to reach Kottamangalam. From Kottamangalam you need to go towards Angamalai. And this route is good, dude. So we just stopped here for lunch. The time is 1 o'clock now. Actually, we both came in two different directions, so I had to take a small detour to meet them for this lunch. Now we'll have good lunch and we'll start to Athirapilly. Athirapilly is around 78 kilometers from here. It would take around 2 hours again. So our dinner is just completed. Had a good sadhya. The hotel name is Rasa near Nelamangalam. Ide kada? The hotel name is Rasa near Nelamangalam. It's a good meal, and I feel a bit relaxed and all. Man, these roads were so smooth and curvy, like I'm feeling more like I'm going on a cradle, like left and right. It's a proper, there were some proper curves there. So a quick ride update. We still have 54 kilometers to Athirapilly, and it's showing 1 hour 50 minutes. No, 1 hour 30 minutes I think. Yeah, 1 hour 43 minutes. It's so hot here. I thought Kerala would be a bit cool, but I forgot it's December. It would be hot for them as well. Kerala doesn't have winters. It has rainy season and summer. That's it. So now thoda climate became a bit cool. Otherwise, it's so hot till now. Right now, Angamalai would be around 10 kilometers or something for us. So after reaching Angamalai, and then we need to take a right after crossing it, and then you'll reach Chalakudi Forest, a small end of Chalakudi Forest, and through that Chalakudi Forest, you'll be reaching Athirapilly Waterfalls and our room, which is just 1.5 kilometers from the falls. Okay, Shilo, we checked into the room and we changed. We got a bit fresh. So the time is 5 to 5. Uh, Tickets to Athirapilly will be closed by 5 o'clock, it seems. And from here, Athirapilly is just 5 minutes away. So we'll jaldi go to the ticket counter. We'll take the tickets and we'll start our exploration to Athirapilly. This is not Athirapilly Falls, the last time which I have seen. So nothing is much going right in this trip. They just allowed us to enter the falls, and while we were trekking down, they closed the down path, and they asked us to return. It's a bit disappointing day, but we'll come back. If you want, we'll stay tomorrow as well. When the water as well is not that great, but we'll see and go. It's okay. I'll show you guys a small glimpse of waterfall. Water is not much, but for today, I'll show you guys a small glimpse of waterfall from outside. Let's see from the outside viewpoint how it's visible, how we can see it.